Hi, here is Julie, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy boho maxi shawl. What I love about this shawl is that it's very easy to make. It really goes fast. You can work this in one day. It's all worked in a granny stitch, and then at the end we are going to work a few more rows for the edging. To make this shawl you can use any kind of yarn you have in your stash, but I'm going to use this yarn here. In addition to the yarn, you are also going to need a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle. Now this yarn that I'll be using, it's from Meshworks Traumwolle. It is acrylic yarn, and I'm going to leave you the information down below, so don't forget to check this out. Okay, so to make this shawl, we are going to start right here in the middle. So take your yarn and your hook and make a magic ring. Now pull up a loop and chain 5. This counts as your first double crochet and a 2 chain space in between. Now make 3 double crochets inside of your magic ring. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochet inside of the magic ring. So this is your granny stitch. Each granny stitch has a cluster of 3 double crochets. Now to end up your first row, you are going to chain 2 and make 1 more double crochet inside of your magic ring. Now pull at your tail to close your magic ring, and this is what you have for now. To start your next round, you are going to chain 5. So your first double crochet and a 2 chain space in between. Now yarn over, and in this 2 chain space you are going to make 3 double crochets. Then chain 1 and go to your 3 chain space and make 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochets in the same 3 chain space. Chain 1 and now go to your next 2 chain space and make 3 double crochets. And now you are at the end of the row. You are going to chain 2, so not 1 but 2, and make your last double crochet on top of your 3 chain space. This is what we have for now. Okay, now I'm going to work 1 more row with you. So to start your next row, you are going to chain 5, turn your work, and in your next available space make your 3 double crochets. And now chain 1 to separate your granny stitch, and in your next 1 chain space make 3 double crochets. Chain 1. In your 3 chain space you are going to make 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. chain 1, go to your next space, 3 double crochets, chain 1. In your last 2 chain space, make your 3 double crochets, and now you are going to chain 2. You are at the end of the row, and in your third chain make your last double crochet. Okay, so this is going to be your pattern repeat for a total of 44 rows. So this is the way you are going to count them. So I have 3 now. I'm going to work a few more rows and then show you how to work your edging. So this one here. Okay, so I'll meet you back once I have a few more rows. Now you go ahead and make 44 rows, because the edging, for the edging you need a multiple of 2 granny stitch. Okay, so I've worked here a total of 6 rows, so you are going to have 44 rows in total. And as I said, for the edging we need a multiple of 2 granny stitches. Now to make your edging, you are going to chain 1, turn your work, and make 1 single crochet in your 2 chain space. Now chain 4 and go to your next chain space and make 1 single crochet, and chain 4 again, and to your next chain space 1 single crochet. Okay, so repeat this step till you reach the pointy part of your shawl. Okay, so now you are going to chain 4 and then go to your 3 chain space, make 1 single crochet, then chain 4 again and make 1 single crochet in the same 3 chain space. And now chain 4 and go to your next chain space and make your single crochet and repeat till here. Now at the end of the row you are just going to single crochet in your 2 chain space. Now you are going to chain 3 as a double crochet and chain 2 more as a 2 chain space in between, and turn your work and make 1 single crochet in your 4 chain space. Chain 4 and to your next chain space single crochet, chain 4, to your next space make your single crochet and repeat till you reach your pointy part right here. Okay, and now you are going to single crochet in your 4 chain space and then chain 4 again and make 1 single crochet in the same chain space right here to create again your pointy part. Now chain 4 and then go to your next chain space and single crochet. I'll meet you back at the end of the row to show you how to close. Now at the end of the row, so we've started with a chain 5, so double crochet and 2 chains. Now you are going to chain 2 and make 1 double crochet on top of your single crochet from the previous row, just like this. Okay, and now finally our very last row, you are going to chain 1, turn your work and single crochet in the same stitch like so. And now we are going to create our clusters. So yarn over and then go to your next 4 chain space, this one here, and make 4 double crochets in this one here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we are going to make 1 picot, so chain 3 like this and slip stitch to your very first chain, this one here. Now you have your picot. Now you are going to make 4 more double crochets in the same 4 chain space. And 4. This is what you have. And now single crochet in your next 4 chain space. And then in the next 4 chain space you are going to repeat, so 4 double crochets, 1 picot and 4 more double crochets, all worked in the 4 chain space. So here is my picot. And now the last 4 double crochets. And then once you have this done, you are going to single crochet in your next 4 chain space. And then repeat this till you reach the pointy part of your shawl. Okay, now single crochet in your last 4 chain space before you reach your pointy part, and now in this 4 chain space you are going to make 4 double crochets, 3 and 4, and then make your picot, so chain 3 and slip stitch to your first chain. And then make 4 more double crochets, 2, 3 and 4. And now you are going to single crochet in the same 4 chain space, and you are going to repeat, so 4 double crochets, 1 picot and 4 more double crochets, all worked in the same 4 chain space. So here is my picot and the last 4 double crochets, and then again you are going to single crochet in the same space. And now we are going to repeat one more time, so 4 double crochets, one picot, and 4 double crochets, and now you are going to single crochet in your next 4 chain space, this one here. And now you are going to repeat on the other side, so your 4 double crochets, picot 4 double crochets and single crochet in the next 4 chain space till you reach the end of the row. And at the end of the row you are going to single crochet in your last 2 chain space, chain 1, cut your yarn and weave in your end. Now go ahead and block your shawl, and then you are good to go. Thank you all for joining me today. I wish you all happy crocheting, and till next time. Bye bye.